Hi, this is Shinohara. Today we're visiting a maisonette-style rental home located in Setagaya Ward, Tokyo. A new IMECHEN renovation has been completed. So I would like to introduce you to the rooms. This renovation was handled by Image Change Setagaya. So I will be interviewing Mr. Nakajima to ask about what kind of work was done. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
May I ask for a brief overview of this property?
Yes. This property is a wooden maisonette-style rental home located in Setagaya Ward, Tokyo. The floor area is 78 square meters, and it was built 35 years ago.
I see. Thank you. Could you tell us what kind of owner requested this renovation this time?
Sure. Originally, the owner's father owned this building, and the current owner acquired it through inheritance. When the previous tenant moved out, the owner decided this would be a good opportunity to completely refresh the interior and also increase the rental value a bit. That is why they approached us.
Got it. Then, could you tell us what kind of renovation work was done this time?
Of course.
Thank you. We are distributing a makeover pamphlet. Please check the details in the description. So, this is a 35-year-old maisonette property, and I believe a full renovation has been done. But what kind of requests did the owner have?
As you'd expect, the building itself is already 35 years old. While the exterior walls had been maintained several times in the past to preserve their appearance and structural integrity, additional improvements were considered necessary, and the roof and exterior walls were repaired quite recently. Because those repairs were costly, the owner wanted to keep the interior renovation as low cost as possible. So the main request was a surface-level renovation, such as installing floor tiles over the existing flooring and replacing the wallpaper. Keeping costs down was a major priority. However, since all the plumbing and water-related fixtures were still original from when the building was first constructed 35 years ago, the owner strongly wanted those to be completely replaced. So in the end, we fully renovated all of the water-related areas.
I see. So originally, the living room floor we're standing on now was wooden flooring, and vinyl tiles were installed on top of it, correct?
Yes, that's right.
And the ceilings and walls were completely re-wallpapered.
Exactly.
I also noticed these baseboards here. I believe they're wooden baseboards. But what kind of work was done on them?
The original baseboards were wooden, and since there wasn't much damage, we decided to keep them and restore their appearance by carefully touching them up with paint, rather than replacing them entirely.
So this was actually the original color of the baseboards?
Yes, it was.
I see. Thank you. So next, could you show us the kitchen?
Sure.
This is quite a large kitchen.
Yes, it is. The width is 2,600 millimeters. The manufacturer is Cleanup, and the model is from their Requera series.
Got it.
And this color is light oak.
Thank you. With a 2,600 millimeter wide kitchen, the sink is really spacious.
Yes, the sink is very wide.
So the upper cabinets, the task light, the kitchen panel, and the range hood have all been replaced with new ones as well.
Exactly.
This time, you went with a system kitchen that has hinged doors. And is this underfloor storage?
That's right.
Even the underfloor storage lid has vinyl tile installed on it.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right, next, let me explain the water-related areas.
Sure. Before that, can I ask about the air conditioner here? Was that kept as is?
No, it was replaced with a new one.
It's quite a powerful one.
Yes, 4.0 kilowatt.
Is it a 200-volt unit? Was there already a 200-volt outlet installed?
Yes.
Got it.
And these doors here, we kept the existing doors.
So they weren't replaced.
Right.
And this is the hallway area. And what is this room here?
That's the toilet.
The toilet door is also original?
Yes. Basically, all of the doors were kept as they were. Where the edges had chipped or worn down, we repaired them with touch-up work to make them look clean again.
I see. So there wasn't any major construction done in the toilet itself?
The toilet bowl and the washlet were replaced with new ones. We also replaced the wallpaper and changed the flooring to new cushion flooring. And this area here is the washroom. But originally, there was no door here.
Oh, really?
Yes. However, since this is a family-type property, we felt it would be more convenient to separate the space properly. So we installed a new door here.
This would be the changing area, right?
Exactly.
So even though it was a dressing room, there was no door before. That would definitely be a negative point when trying to attract tenants. So you decided to install a new door just here.
Yes. The door itself is from Panasonic's Veritas series. And we chose a color that closely matches the existing doors.
It really does match well. So you intentionally matched it to the existing color.
Yes.
What is the name of this door color?
The color is called Soft Walnut.
Got it. Thank you. Now, may I step inside?
Of course. This is the washroom, and the vanity has also been replaced with a new one. The manufacturer is Toto from their V series. It's 750 millimeters wide and comes with a 3-panel mirror.
Thank you.
The wallpaper here has been replaced as well, and the floor has been updated with new cushion flooring.
What about the washing machine pan and the faucet?
Both of them were also replaced. Next is the unit bath. This is a unit bath in the 11/16 size.
So there was originally an 11/16 size unit bath installed here?
Yes, it was the same size.
I see.
The manufacturer is Toto, and this is their WS series unit bath. It features an accent panel in flare light gray.
This is a type of unit bath commonly used in rental properties, right?
Yes, that's right.
This time, did you replace the water heater or do any additional piping work for the reheating function?
The water heater wasn't very old, so we continued using the existing one.
And the reheating function was already installed?
Yes, it was.
Thank you.
Next, let's take a look at the staircase.
The stairs look really clean now.
For the stairs, we installed vinyl tiles over both the treads and the riser sections to finish them.
I see. The stair nosings here also look extremely well done.
Yes, all of the stair nosings were replaced with new renovation-specific components.
I'm not sure if viewers can clearly see this, but this is the staircase area. This part here is called the tread. This section is the riser, and this edge part here is called the stair nosing. All of these surfaces have been finished with the same vinyl tile used on the floors. The corner areas in particular are quite difficult to install properly, so you can really tell that the craftsman put a lot of effort into it. Stairs are often finished with cushion flooring, but this time vinyl tiles were used instead. Now shall we head up to the second floor?
Sure.
The flooring in this hallway is the same material as the one used in the living room, right?
Yes, that's right.
So since this is a 3LDK layout, there are 3 rooms on the second floor.
Exactly. Here as well, just like on the first floor, the wallpaper was replaced, and vinyl tiles were installed over the existing flooring. For the wooden parts of the doors and frames, any chipped or damaged edges were repaired and then refinished.
I see. The second floor uses soft baseboards, doesn't it?
Yes.
Were those replaced this time?
Originally, the second floor already had soft baseboards, so when we replaced the flooring and wallpaper, we also replaced the soft baseboards at the same time.
I see. What is this on the ceiling here?
That's attic storage.
Attic storage?
Yes. You open it using this pole.
Oh, a ladder comes down. That's quite a spacious area.
Yes. It's about 2 tatami mats, or just under 3 tatami mats in size.
I see. Was the interior up there also re-wallpapered?
Yes. For the attic, we replaced the wallpaper. And for the floor, we installed cushion flooring.
And it also has lighting installed. It's surprisingly spacious.
Yes. Attic storage like this is fairly typical in maisonette-style homes that are about 30 years old, as many properties from that era were designed with this kind of space in mind.
I see. Thank you.
Let's move on to the next room. This room here is currently a Western-style room, but originally it was a Japanese-style room. We removed the tatami mats, adjusted the floor height so vinyl tiles could be installed, and then laid vinyl tiles over the floor. The walls were also re-wallpapered, just like in the other rooms.
This was originally a traditional closet, and the doors were kept as they were.
That's right. It remains in the original closet layout.
The middle shelf inside is also original, so aside from re-wallpapering, there wasn't much change there.
Exactly.
And this is the final room.
Yes. Here as well, vinyl tiles were installed over the flooring, and the wallpaper was replaced.
What is this space here?
This room comes with a walk-in closet.
That's quite a large walk-in closet.
Yes.
It's spacious enough that it could also be used as a small workspace with a desk, making it suitable not only for storage but also for light work or study.
That's true. We did suggest installing hanging rods as an option, but ultimately decided to keep the space more flexible, so the new tenants can use the space however they like.
I see. Are these doors original as well?
Yes. Here, we mainly updated the wallpaper and flooring.
Got it. Thank you for your time today.
Thank you.
May I ask about the total renovation cost this time?
Yes, the total cost, including tax, was 3.1 million yen.
3.1 million yen. Thank you. At the beginning, you mentioned that the owner wanted to raise the rent. After spending 3.1 million yen on renovations, about how much did the rent increase?
Previously, the unit was rented for around 160,000 yen per month, and we've already secured a new tenant.
Already?
Yes. The unit was leased for 200,000 yen per month, so that's a 40,000 yen increase.
And the renovation was just completed, wasn't it?
Yes, it was.
Which means the application came in while construction was still underway.
Exactly. Once the renovation was close to completion, we conducted a viewing.
I see. And that led to the application. From a viewer's perspective, I think many people are curious about this. If the rent goes up by 40,000 yen, how much does the property value actually increase?
It's often said that for every 1,000 yen increase in rent, the asset value goes up by about 200,000 yen.
I see. So if we calculate that simply, it comes out to around 8 million yen. So by investing 3.1 million yen in renovations, for owners who may be thinking about an eventual sale as an exit strategy, the property value has increased by nearly 8 million yen, meaning there's roughly a 5 million yen upside.
Exactly.
On top of that, renovation costs can be treated as expenses. And compared to renting at a lower price, leasing at a higher rent tends to attract better tenants. That also means the property is more likely to be well taken care of.
Yes, that's right.
By the way, which areas does the Setagaya branch mainly specialize in?
Our company is based in Setagaya Ward, and we also have branch offices in Shinagawa Ward and in Takatsu Ward in Kawasaki City. So we're able to handle projects throughout Tokyo and the surrounding 3 prefectures without any problem.
Got it. For anyone watching this video who may be considering requesting a renovation from the Setagaya branch, please feel free to reach out and consult with them anytime. Thank you again for joining us today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. At IMECHEN, we offer 2 nationwide renovation plans, a flat-rate renovation service for rental properties called IMECHEN, and another service for pre-owned homes called IMECHEN Next. You can download the brochures for both IMECHEN and IMECHEN Next from our official websites. At the moment, we're receiving a large number of estimate requests, and we're actively expanding our construction coverage areas. If you're ready to move from subcontractor to primary contractor, or a company looking to grow your renovation business, we'd love to hear from you. Please visit the link in the description to learn more through IMECHEN's business briefings.